This is EV3 brake. These are two large motors. This is ultrasonic sensor. This is medium motor. Medium motor is used to move the ultrasonic sensor left or right. Large motors are used to move the robot. Ultrasonic sensor is used to detect any object. I have programmed like this where my robot will move forward until ultrasonic sensor detects any object. Then ultrasonic sensor will detect any object. My robot will stop. Ultrasonic sensor will move right or left. If the distance is greater, the ultrasonic sensor will turn robot right, else turn left. Let's see.